Daddy, to get you on the other thing, of course, police station. Police phone to you. A PM that's fire. Police phone, I don't be at you to you. Emergency. Police phone to police phone to you. Just say it. Come on, say it. Come Wait, to grow. I can get you up. Now, police in this area, right? Samuel to you. One pint of glass, man. I'm not going to say, I'm not going to say, the glass in our papa. I said, we can't in our papa. Well, this guy's a papa. I'm not going to say, and they don't go. Hey!
Okay. Mahoya. Also, you have more deal on two to make for it. Now, if you have been for the granny and more, the amount crowd of the town is there to talk to the police.
We are not armed.
Talk to the police for peace to reign. You saw what I did. They are all there for peace to reign. Libya is around.
How are you, sir? I will not greet you because you have just shot somebody dead now.
You shot somebody dead?
Yes. What is your mission and why the warning shots and what's going on here?
Your people came to attack us.
They came to attack the police people.
Yes.
Okay. How did they attack you, sir?
They were here, we said they should go back.
Okay.
Everybody should go back.
Okay.
They refused to go back. And they started throwing stones at us.
They threw stones.
Look at it. And they used for our car. Look at it. They used for our car.
Okay. So that was why the warning shots went.
Yes.
But as professionals, a child has been shot. And you are the commanding, you are the in charge, right?
We didn't know that somebody has shot.
Somebody has just been shot. I am telling you.
We don't know.
So what do we do about that?
We don't know. You go there.
What brought about this whole stone throwing and the rest?
This morning,
Yes.
we were called by the state officer that somebody is damaging the food bank. We were right there. So when we get there, we saw that they have damaged the place. So they showed her who bought the place. So we went and got him arrested and brought him to the station. So all of a sudden, I saw somebody came here, then shouting at us, talking, insulting us. They are saying, oh, Martha, you come. Come. What is the matter? He said, he heard that they have arrested somebody, so he wants to come and investigate. Yes, police, we have brought the person. Any problem? They started talking anyhow. So my people prevented him.
Your name again?
Chief Inspector.
Chief.
Yeah.
You are, I think these are pressmen.
Yeah.
So you do yourself a good favor by talking as a professional.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
So when you say somebody insulted you,
I said
blah,
that,
blah, blah.
yes, he's here.
Okay.
The president insulted
So
him.
that was the same person that one of you used the butt of the gun to hit.
I don't know. I haven't seen that.
Okay. We will call him because he has spoken to the district commander. And the district commander says he needs to come and make a case
Yes,
with the CID.
Yes.
That is why he came and people followed.
No, but
And then your warning shots started ringing out. And somebody is dead now. Somebody is dying. I hope she doesn't die, but it will be a big, big blow on you. And I'm sure I am coming now. I haven't mobilized.
But your people are following you.
Yes. That is why I stood somewhere. Right? No, wait. That is why I stood somewhere. Told each and every one of them to stand. This is about 50 meters away.
Yes.
So that I can come and talk to you.
Yes.
I do not have control over who follows me. You understand me? It is up to you to decide, oh, okay, everybody else can go.
That's what I told you.
Only you can come.
There. And you told me that they are dead. That is what you said.
Your warning shots should even be aimed at the sky.
Yes.
Not to kill people. So somebody has thrown a stone and you have shot somebody. Anyway, Mofra Ai Achamra or Baba any case, with the CID. And then he will point out who it was that hit him with a gun.
Yeah. That is what you're supposed to do.
No, that is what we are doing.
Yeah.
But you were not supposed to fire warning shots and kill somebody. I am not saying they haven't done that.
Yeah. So what we prevent
when you are shooting a warning shot,
for them to
you aim it at the people.